Stun gun flashlights, yes or no? Well, I'm former CIA officer Jason Hanson. At the agency, I always carried multiple weapons on me because you gotta have multiple ways to defend yourself. Now, I do believe in carrying a gun. I live in the free state of Utah, so I carry a gun every single day. But I also carry a knife, I carry a tactical pen, and a lot of people I train say, hey, I don't want to carry a gun or this or that. I train a lot of women who are domestic violence victims, unfortunately, and they love to carry stun gun flashlights, which I think is a great idea. These hurt like a son of a gun. I'm not gonna tell you, I'm not going to sugarcoat it any other way. They hurt men more because men have more muscle. So women, I've literally been teaching classes and we do this and we say, who wants to be stunned? Who wants to come up? And some women, I push it to their back and they're like, huh, that was barely bad. You get this on me and I am screaming, I'm moving. It hurts me, it affects me. And we know that men are more likely to be attackers because men are more likely to do evil and be creepos and all that. In fact, I trained a woman once. She was being followed in a parking lot. I believe this woman was a nurse. Late at night, some guy was making lewd comments, getting closer and closer. She was nervous. She turned around, told the guy to get back, did that noise, and he ran off and went away. So thankfully, she didn't have to use it. Because the one downside of a stun gun flashlight, let me turn this one on, turn on the bottom. The one downside of a stun gun flashlight is it's not a gun, meaning it's not shooting out bullets. You have to touch a person with this. The good news is most people you touch with this, they are going to jump like crazy. So I have been stunned with stun gun flashlights dozens of times. I hate it. It's horrible. My very first job out of college was as a police officer before I joined the CIA, and we had to get tased, and that hurts like crazy. I think it's a 5-second ride, if my memory serves me right. It is the longest 5 seconds of your life if you ever have it done to you. With that being said, I'm stalling here. Why am I stalling? Because this one I've tried before. There is a video, and you can go watch it, where you can see my son use this on me, and you see me scream and move away. This one I've not tried before, and so I'm sitting here debating, all right, do I do it, do I do it, do I do it? Oh, it hurts so bad though. And then I've actually got to hold it on myself for a second. I've never put a stun gun on myself. Usually it's somebody in my family, like it's my wife, my kids. I had to talk my wife into it. Like she was like, no. I was like, come on, do it. And then I said, it's your turn. And she did not think it was funny and she didn't take her turn. So let me... I just did not see anticipation because I know how bad this hurts. Are you filming? Are you like ready for me? Okay. Ah! Okay. Ah! Son of a gun. Doesn't hurt at all. Doesn't hurt at all, kids. Feels it. Oh. All right, I'm gonna go cry on my pillow, but that hurts like crap. I probably have a red spot on my side. So if you know somebody who doesn't want to carry a gun, who doesn't want to carry a knife, and by the way, that stings, that hurts for about 30 minutes after you stun yourself. If you know somebody who doesn't want to carry a gun, doesn't want to carry a knife, get them a stun gun flashlight. If you've got daughters, if you got people who are just like, hey, I ain't carrying a weapon, get this for them. Of course, the beauty is, let me see if I can find the light mode, wherever that is. I know there's a light mode somewhere. It is, there we go. Flashlight mode, and this one has a flashlight mode too. Where the heck is the flashlight mode on this one? This is, there we go. All right. So at least they have something to see in the dark, and in a worst case scenario, remember, they can use it. So have multiple ways to protect yourself, but if you're not going to carry any of the good stuff like guns, knives, tactical pens, at least have this. I am former CIA officer Jason Hanson. Make sure you subscribe for more self-defense and survival videos.